Today in this video we're going to talk about how to add music to Facebook profile. If you've seen other people adding in music to their profiles on Facebook and you want to add it for yours as well, then in this video I'm going to show you the exact process that you need to follow. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. The first thing you need to do is open up your profile section, which is on the top left. Once you're on the profile section of your Facebook, to add in the music, tap on the three dot besides edit profile, and inside of the setting, just tap on the search option. Once you're inside search, under shortcuts you'll be able to see an option called music. You can just tap on the music option and tap on the plus icon on the top right. Once you do, you'll be taken to the library or the music library of Facebook, from where you can pick the music that you want to add in. You can also search for the music or the artist on the search bar. Just tap on the music, and once the tick mark has appeared, you can head back and you'll be able to see this exact music has been added to the music list. Now to add it to your profile as well, you need to tap on the three dots that you see right here. Tap on the three dots and tap on pin to profile. Once the song has been pinned, you can head back to your profile and you'll be able to see the music now has been added to your Facebook profile. You can only add in one music at a time, and whenever someone visits your profile and whenever someone taps on it, the music will play. So that was a real quick and easy video on how to add in music to your Facebook profile. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are interested in more daily tutorials just like this, make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more tutorial videos. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.